Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English2Flow, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's really good to be here today.
It really is. So, James, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
All right, James, let's start. When you speak English, what do you usually do in your mind?
I think in my own language first.
Yes, your first language.
Then I translate in my head, and after that, I speak in English.
Exactly. Many students do this.
But it is very slow.
Yes, it is slow, and it is hard work for the brain.
My brain says, wait, this is difficult.
That's true, but our big and happy goal is this: think in English.
Think in English? Wow,
Yes, no translation, just English.
that sounds fast.
It is fast, and it feels natural.
Okay, I want this. How do we start?
We start small, very, very small.
One word?
One word is okay, but a small sentence is better.
A sentence? That sounds big.
No, very small sentences. For example, when you wake up in the morning,
I open my eyes.
good. Think in English, I am awake.
Then I stand up. I am tired.
Perfect. You walk to the kitchen.
I want coffee.
Yes. You open the fridge.
I want coffee.
Exactly. This is how you train your brain.
So, I should think in English all day?
Yes, in simple moments. At home, on the bus, anywhere.
On the bus, I see a window. I see a red car. A man is walking. It is a sunny day.
Wow, James, you are doing great.
I am thinking in English. It feels different, but good.
Yes, you are connecting English to your life, not to your language.
Ah, English life. No translation.
Exactly. That's the big secret.
What about listening, Emma?
Good question. Listen to English in small parts.
Small parts.
Yes, don't worry if you don't understand everything.
Okay.
Listen for main words, sound, rhythm. Slowly, your brain will understand patterns.
What about repeating?
That's called shadowing. You listen and repeat immediately.
Like training my brain and mouth together.
Exactly. It helps you speak faster and more naturally.
And the third tip,
Speak to yourself.
speak to myself. People will think I'm crazy.
Do it alone, in your room, in the car, or in the shower.
In the shower? Okay.
Look around and describe things.
I see a book. The book is blue. I like this book.
Perfect. Your ears need to hear your own voice.
Okay, let's review today's tips.
Tip 1. Think in small English sentences.
Tip 2. Listen to easy English. That's input.
Tip 3. Speak to yourself. That's output.
Small steps every day will build your English brain.
And remember, be patient.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Like saying, I is happy.
Yes. Then you say, oh, I am happy. And you try again.
Okay, I will be brave.
That's the spirit. Don't be afraid to be wrong.
That was a great episode, Emma.
Thank you, James. I hope this helps everyone listening.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share English2Flow.
And keep practicing every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.